What is up, guys? I haven't done a hair tutorial in so freaking long, so I'm gonna hit you with a voiceover for this like soft, natural, fuzzy locks that I have going on. It's not just a little natural vibe, you can wear it for nighttime, dress it up, make you look cute. I'm also gonna show you guys how to wrap it up because I feel like not enough people do that when they do this type of stuff. And then I'm also gonna show you guys how to take it down because I feel like people don't do that either. Be having us with stuff stuck in our head, but before I even got into that, I desperately needed to tone my hair. So excuse the scarecrow vibes. This is the toner that I used. This is my second round. That's why my hair is just begging for moisture. Oh, what? Oh my God, the calico patch. Oh my God, that's embarrassing. Anyway, so yeah, my mistake was the first time I toned my hair, I was like in the shower and everything, and I really should have just put it on my hair dry like what I'm doing now. Obviously this is not mandatory for the whole installation and everything, but I did need to get those roots under control, girl. And I wanted it to blend with the hair that I chose. And I'm gonna show you guys the hair and everything later. But yeah, for some reason, the first round just did not tone the front of my head. I don't know what happened, but yeah, let's just enjoy me doing that section by section. Shout out to the Hood Hippies where I got this shirt from. Link in the description. No sponsor, just I'm wearing the shirt. All right, so now that we're all done, I'm gonna let this sit. And oh my God, I was loving this. I was having a Y2K Britney Spears Beyonce moment, like was living for it. But this is my hair all washed out, and that's the conditioner that I use. It's like my go-to conditioner. But this is the final result. It looks way more blended, way less. Oh. Okay. Yeah, we got some catching up to do. Okay, so yeah, I gave myself these little dookie braids. These dookie braids were in for a long time and they are not perfect by far. They were cute for like day one to serve its purpose, the parting. You see, it's just not the best. But it's okay because it's gonna help us get the natural look when we put in the locks. So this is the hair that I'm using. I definitely suggest getting Marley hair, something with a coarser texture. And this is me just brushing it out to make it a little bit more poofier, more softer, if you will. Now pay attention. So once you brush it out, you're going to want to put a little piece on the actual braid itself. Here's a close up. Hold it, and then you're going to want to wrap the hair around. Now you want to be really careful to not be spinning the plait itself, okay? Because that can make you lose your freaking hair, girl. As you can see, I got a lot of new growth going on from when I did do my roots. So like I had this style in for some time. It's like a little transition going on. But you also want to be really light and when you wrap. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. You want to be really light when you wrap it also because if you're too tight, it doesn't look natural to me. So now at the ends, this is not mandatory, but this is just something I do to keep it all together. I start plaiting the ends for just a little bit, so it's not as noticeable, but just for a little extra security. And then I go super old school and I burn the ends with a lighter. Usually when I do like twists and braids and stuff, I usually just dip them. Like my hair was dipped before, but when I do these wrapping styles, I like to burn the ends because it just, I don't know, it just keeps everything together. And this is just me making sure that I could put my hair into ponytails because y'all have to make sure that you put your hair in these ponytails, y'all, because when you wrap your hair at night, it will not be comfortable. So speaking of wrapping your hair, I'm just loving this style. I'm sorry. I just love myself with protective styles over wigs. Sorry. Anyway, so we're about to wrap her. So there's a reason why I have this gnarly ass little part in the middle because it makes putting the hair up easier. So my camera's about to fall. Okay, anyway, so you cross it. That's all you do. Just cross it and then you hold it up. Now we're going to get an extra, extra long scarf. Okay, I'm talking long. All right. And you're going to make sure that it's even. You're going to take the back. Here, I'm going to show you guys. You're going to take the back and just make sure that it's covering both of the sides. Oh my God, girl. Come on now. Get it together. The struggle is real. I'm not going to act like this shit is easy. Like, okay, there we go. All right. So now you can see what it looks like in the back. Boom. Very simple, right? So now you're just going to use gravity as your friend. And we're just going to make a really tight first knot to keep everything secured. And then you just tie it again. And then from here on out, you can put a bonnet on or whatever, but it's going to be secure and it's not going to be flailing all over the place, because when you wrap your hair, it can come unwrapped when you're asleep. And I don't think a lot of people on YouTube really show how they put their hair up when they do these styles. So I just wanted to show you guys before I left, okay? And as another treat, oh girl, get your toothbrush out the shot. As another treat, we are going to show you how to take them down. So it's really easy. You just cut off the ends, or you could just go from the top. Find the groove of where the twist is, and then you just slide it down. And yeah, it's that easy. You get scissors, you cut the end, or you can tear it off like I'm doing, like a freaking barbarian. I don't know why I even risked breaking my nails to do something like that, but yeah, dude, that's pretty much it. I don't really save a lot of my braiding hair. There is a way less chaotic way to do this if you want to save the hair, obviously. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Here, watch me take a few more down. Like, you would think this would take hours, right? No, just sliding right off. Now, taking out the plaits is a different story. But yeah, I could just slide these right off. Not gonna lie, I kind of was feeling this little look, like this tribal look. I was like, this is a little vibe. Kind of, wore my hair like this for a little bit. I don't know. It's probably the alcohol, but I thought it was cute. Let me know in the comments. So yeah, here is me showing you guys the night look. So if you guys ever wanted to wear this out and about, I definitely would. And if you guys want to see more of me like in Miami and stuff with more footage, just go check out my vlog channel. The links are right here.